Please open AnyTrans and connect your iOS device with it via the USB cable. Once your iOS device is recognized, this interface will display. Please choose Messages option. If you have a backup, it will load messages automatically. If you don't have any backups, please click Backup Now button to detect messages. It might take some minutes to back up your messages based on the amount of the data on your iOS device. Please keep patient. After the backup process is completed, it will display all the messages on your iOS device. You can transfer the messages to the computer, refresh the messages and print messages. Please choose the messages you want to transfer, click to Mac button and choose Export Format of Messages. The data has been transferred successfully now.